What's up, guys? It's locally lost Lapidary, and today we got this piece of lace agate. It's very beautiful. Just has like a rust spot right here, so we're definitely gonna avoid that until I get some iron out. Yeah, it went in there deep. It sucks because it's a really good chunk, but regardless, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a hunk right here and a hunk right here, and we're gonna make this thing pretty again. I mean, it's pretty, but we're gonna make it prettier. Alright, see you at the slant capper. Alright guys, got this crazy lace agate dopped up. Cut it into a nice pretty shape. It's nice and thick too, so we should get a good cab out of this. Alright, let's shape it up with the 80 grit. Alright, we got it nice and shaped out. Looking pretty. I'm digging it. This is gonna come out real nice. Onto the 180. Alright, done with the 180. Shaped out real nice. Real nice. Digging it. What I'm gonna do is when I electroform this piece, is I'm gonna come down this edge, come right here, and then just swoop underneath. Oh yeah. Now to the 300. Alright, done with the 300. This is definitely gonna go well with some silver. Looking good. Alright, now to the 220 polishing pad. Alright, done with the 220. Really did some justice. This is gonna be great. Like I said, with the silver trim. I can definitely see someone here in South Texas sporting this. Yippee-ki-yay. onto the 325. Done with the 325. I forgot about my zoom in feature. Look at that. I really like the brown too right here. I have another piece that was on this slab, and it's like brown, and it goes off into like a triangle lacy thing. I saved that for sure. Make some earrings out of that piece. Yeah, this is awesome. This is about to pop. We're about to pop. Here after the 600s is when it starts popping. All right, let's get it. 600. Alright, done with the 600. And like I said, it really starts to pop after that. Let's get a little close up. You see that? It looks like, sorry, I'm having a hard time getting close up. Yeah, there we go. It looks like a beach, like sandbars. Just rolling in. How pretty is that? I love how these agates just come to life. Yeah, this is my favorite side right here. It's 3D looking too. All right, let's see what the 1200 can do. And here we are. Totally dry. Just beautiful. That sandbar. Freaking awesome. This one came out nice. But we're still not done. Hit it with that cerium oxide. Get all the micro scratches out. Oh yeah. Cerium oxide time, guys. Alright guys, and here we are. All done with the lace agate. Beautiful. Look at that sandbar. Freaking awesome. Still need to clean it up, get all the scuff marks off, but it's great. Look, it even looks like a little wave rolling in. See that? And then all these orbs playing right here. Some orbs right there too. This little line's not that bad either, I'll take it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put silver all along the side. Then I'm gonna put a silver lace going through it like that, covering that line. It's gonna come out divine. There you have it, guys. I'm gonna be very busy these coming days. I got a market on March 11th. So I'm gonna bust out about close to 100 silver pieces, all matching, like earrings and pendant matching sets and stuff. So I'm gonna be really busy. So we're gonna have a lot of jewelry videos And thanks to you guys showing up in my live, keeping me company in the shop. I really appreciate that. This was Locally Lost Lapidary. And you folks have a great day or night. I'm out.